Yeah, your time.
So, sir, it says 64 divide bracket 8 times 2 divide by 4 bracket plus 35. So, sir, the first thing you're going to do is do in between the brackets. And the multiplication comes before the division if the multiplication is in front or
Very
on
good.
the right.
Very good.
Sir, 8 times 2 is 16.
Hello.
So you're going to bracket 16 and put a division sign and put a 4. Sir, 16 divided by 4 is 6. 16 divided by 4 is is 4, sir. And then, sir, you're going to divide this 4 by 64, which you're going to get 16. Then, sir, you're going to add the 16 plus the 35, which is going to give you your final answer, which is 51.
Very good, Tori J. Very good. Admit it, guys. She's a teacher. She is a teacher. Very good. Thank you so much. So, guys, just to reinforce it because we have a few new persons. 64 divided by bracket 8 times 2 divided by 4. Just like what she said, we have to address the bracket first. So the bracket comes before any operation. And of course, she also said that you multiply first because it's on the left. So going left to right, multiplication always comes before division. So 8 times 2, 16, and then she divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, but she wasn't done there. She said 64 divided by 4 to give us 16, and the final answer, just like what she said, is 51. Very good, Toriji. All right. So the new persons, you can go ahead and put up your hand if you have any further question, so we can try to, to help you as much as possible. After this. Before I do the next one, guys, I'm going to actually go back over the rules because, as I say, we have a lot of new persons, and I want them to get it just like how so many persons got that one correct. That was impressive, guys. That was impressive. All right, so guys, the chat can only chat with me. All right, so I disable it. Only me I can talk with. So no student can text no other student. Just me. All right. Yeah. Thank you so much. All right, so let me explain the rules again for those persons who are not here. And those who are here, you can benefit too. But I think you guys are doing really well. I think nearly everyone got that correct a while ago, That was good. A few persons did not send it in. I see them coming in after and thing. All right, let's go. So guys, let me just go through the rules again because without the rules, we cannot do all of operation. And one thing with sir, I don't teach students to SWAT. Teachers say have an understanding of it. So if them twist it up, turn it up, no matter, you can do it same way. All right. So this is the general rule. We have 4 basic operations, which are multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So they are supposed to be done in this particular order. So if you get a question and it have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, generally we do it in this particular order. This order can change, and I'm going to show students why multiplication and division can change. Let's look at the first scenario. If you have 2 times 5 divided by 10, we actually multiply first. So 2, 5, 10 divided by 10, you get 1. Why we do that? Whichever come on the left first, that is the one that you have to do first. Let me show you something again. We're going to compare something. I did this with the other class this morning as well, because I want everybody to get the full understanding of this thing here. Let's say we have 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. Yeah, guys, you can text me, but I won't get to look at it now. I soon look at it. So we have 15 divided by 3 times 5. If you notice, division come on the left first. Everyone know them left one, right? I know the teacher would have shown you your left one and your right hand and so forth, and your parents as well, right? So it's coming from left to right. Okay, new phone, all right. Congrats, man. So in this case, guys, we divide. So 15 divided by 5 by 3 is 5, and then 5, 5, 25. So you see the difference, guys? Whichever come on the left first, we do that. Consider it a race, and this is the finishing line. So whichever is closest to the finishing line, the left-hand side, that is the one that is first. With division and multiplication, and it also goes for addition and subtraction. A lot of persons texting me, so let me just kind of, guys, take down this. Yeah, man, the password right. Now the password. I've been using this for a month now. All right. I'm gonna pause this. Guys, make a note of it, please.
So the first thing we'll do, we'll say 40 divided by 5, and that would be equal to 8. Then we'd bring down the 26 and put that in bracket. Then we'll put back the 138 plus. Then we would say 8 times 26 equals 208. Then now we'll add 138 plus 208, which would equal to 346.
Thanks so much, Xavier.
The reason why we bring down the 26 and did that first was because multiplication comes before addition.
Thank you, my teacher. Very good. Awesome job. So, guys, he even give you the reason, all right? So, students might be tempted to add first, but Xavier already told you, so I don't need to say it. All right, the person said they made a mistake because they didn't put on the 6, so they multiplied by 2. They actually followed the step. Yeah, that can happen, guys. That is why I'm saying you have to look very carefully. Very good, Xavier and Tori J, the 2 presenters so far. And guys, if you're new, you can put up your hand if you want to explain. I will allow you. It doesn't matter. All right. If it's your first day, you can still present. All right. Thank you so much, Xavier. Guys, I have something to show you. I thought that was very good, though. Not just what Xavier did, but the entire class did well. I think about 90% got it first try, so that was good. Let us look at what a little discussion now. All right. So I'm gonna show you something new, guys, and this is actually the final piece for your syllabus. Meaning, after you learn this today, it done the order of operations. We master it. So we just need to master one more thing. And the master we reach now, guys. The boys them can relate when you play a game and you beat up some small warriors and thing. Every time you beat up the Warriors, you get a new boss to fight. Boys can relate to that. So this is the final boss. Will we be able to defeat the boss clear now? Let's see. So guys, the general rule is that we do multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. However, division and multiplication can switch depending from the left to right rule. But apart from that, we said that bracket comes before all those four basic operations. And this is where it gets interesting now. There's another one that comes before the bracket, and that is known as the exponent, or in Jamaican term, we say power. Not just Jamaica, but mostly in Jamaica. Power, when a number is raised to the power. So just like what I did with the other class, I'm going to just call on you randomly. In 5 seconds, I'm just going to call some names. If it take too long for answer, guys, I have to move on. It's not a big deal. All right, so just tell me what you think the answer is. 6 raised to the second power. Deandra, another good friend, go ahead.
6 times 6.
No, give me the final answer. Too long.
12.
Ramona, go ahead.
12.
12. Tusan, senior.
6 times 6 is 36.
36. Ariana.
6 times 6 is 36.
All right. Philip.
So 6, so since it's squared, so it would be 6 times 6 multiplied 2 times, so it'd be 6 times 6 would be 36.
Thanks so much, Philip. Akilio.
Sir, 36.
36. This person joined with a link, and there's no link. I don't know who that is. The person with the HTTP something, the iPod. Who is that?
That's me.
Eh? What? You
Try
have to
spelling my
rename
name.
yourself, man. I don't say your name. That's a
I
link.
spelled my name, but it wouldn't allow me. I accidentally chose this one instead.
Okay. All right.
Well,
What's your answer?
well, when it comes to exponents, well, you just multiplying by 2 times the same number, so it would be 36.
36. All right. Thanks so much. Jaquan.
Sir, 36.
36 as well. Jamari.
So the answer is 26.
36. All right.
36.
Okay. Everybody said 36 now last part. Somebody said 12, though. You know, I'll go on with the 12. Altia. Not hearing Altia. One of the Ariana.
36.
36. All right, good. What about Ajani? Guys, the class here end up get big because persons who sign up for the morning class switch to the class here, you know. I may understand why I do. All right. So good. I agree, guys. I agree. Very good. So it means 6 multiplied by 6. So the answer is 36. So no one should ever make the mistake and say it's 6 times 2. It's 6 multiplied by itself 2 times. All right. Next one, guys. 30 seconds. Not 30 seconds. On a bright. 15 seconds. And then we start calling names. 5 raised to the third power. No, 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 no. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Somebody just tell me say they mute themselves mistakenly. So I call back on the person they do. Deandra. Go ahead, Deandra. You mute yourself by mistake, you say. I got that message.
125.
All right. So she said 125. Thanks, Deandra. Akilio. Oh, I see a new name that I didn't call.
Sir, 125.
Okay, Casey. I didn't call that name a while ago. Casey Allen. Not getting Casey. All right. Dijani, you never went a while ago. Xavier Pino. Guys, you have to answer fast, you can't take the whole day because remember I said this are just like interaction, something. We have to go back to the business at hand. Xavier, what's your answer?
75.
75? All right.
Yes,
Bro,
sir.
It's like you see the kind of foolishness.
no, make him stay, man. He's allowed to make mistake. All right, bro. I'm parent them bother my student them. Grub, go ahead.
The answer would be 15.
15. All right, thanks so much. I know this person does not name Ria Yuki, but I'm gonna click on that person. That person has to be new. Go ahead, react. That sounds like some karate name. Guys, join with the government name here. What about Mikai? And then we're gonna move on. Mikai.
33.
Not hearing Mikai. All right. Casey Allen, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Mikai. We're hearing you now. Go ahead. 5 raised to the third power.
you multiply 5 by itself 3 times, and 5 times 5 equal 25. So then you now do 25 times 5, which equals 125.
All right, very good. You're all correct. I don't recall anybody saying 15, okay? If somebody say 15, I'm gonna cry because it just established that it's the number multiplied by itself. So just like how Mikai kind of give us the breakdown, 5 times 5 times 5, and then 25 times that. Very good. You guys are so awesome. All right, so make a note of this, guys. Even though everybody basically said 125, but still write it in your book. It's always good to have the good notes. Guys, we're going to do that all year. We're going to have a time when we just call on everyone to answer a question. That way, nobody no fall asleep. All right, let's go. So we could talk about this and the importance of it in the order of operation, all right? Let's do this as an example. All right, so we have 8 plus 3 raised to the third power multiplied by 3 divided by 9. Whole heap of things that happen, right? So one, we can see that the exponent is there. So as the rule says, exponent or the power first. The bracket is in there, but we still do the exponent first. So it means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Mr. showing a step by step, guys, because so Mr. Bennett worked. Then we have multiplication comes before division, right? Definitely. So this will give us 81 divided by 9. You see what Sarah do it, guys? Look, Sarah not do it like so. Some students do it like this. Then pull it out. And then when time them say, then you see them have a next part, them say 27 times 3. And then you see them say 81 divided by 9. Nothing is wrong with that, But what I find difficult, I don't know where the answer is. Because you work here, so, you work here, so, you work here, so. But I don't know where the final answer is. So I'm asking those persons that put it out like that, just put answer beside it or underline the answer. So I know, say, yeah, this is the final one. And of course, we know we divide before we add. 81 divided by 9 is 9, and then we add. So 8 plus 9, that should be 17. Somebody says, sir, can you go over it? No problem. All right, let's go again. I'm just going to rub it out, though. All right? I don't like to explain with it on the board. Rub it out and start from scratch. Somebody never get it, guys. Let's go. So this is the originally what we had, right? We have 8 plus 3 squared multiplied by 3 divided by 9. Now, the rule says we must do the exponent first. If bracket in there, we still do the exponent first. All right, so we're going to go straight to the exponent, which says 3 square. What? 3 cube, brother. What does 3 cube mean? It means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 threes, 9. 3 nines, 27. All right. Let me just go a little bit slower. So this is a 27 now, right? This is the only thing that will work out so far, you know. So we still have to carry over all of these that are, we did not use those operations. We did not multiply by this operation, just the exponent we did. We did not divide by 9, and we also did not add. So you look at it now and you say, which operation comes next? Instead of me tell you, I'm going to click on a few students and you just tell me what you think. Which of the operation would come next? Akilo, your name is at the top. Akilo Fisher, what's the next move? Not getting
Sir,
Akilo.
the next move
Okay.
is division.
Division. All right. So Akilo said we should divide next. Cox. No, Morgan. We call him Morgan. Go ahead, Morgan. What's the next move there? Look at it carefully, and then
the next move would be three divided by 9.
all right. So you think it's 3 divided by 9. Thanks so much. Let's see. Senior. What do you think, Senior?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I'd say 27 times 3 because multiplication comes before division.
All right. Ashley, so you think multiplication? Me or Ashley have to say? Ashley, what you have to say? What you think? Some say divide, some say multiply. What is it?
Sir, it is multiplication.
All right, you say multiplication. This person is new. Maya Brown. I hope I got that correct. Or Amia Brown. Parents must stress me with the name them, you know, guys. One no feel sorry for me. Guys, I feel embarrassed. We can't call the name them. Parents must change up the name them. No traditional name. All right. Who can I call on? I'm going to call on one more person. Journey. He said Journey the second. What about Kemoy Vassal? Kemoy, what's your answer? What's the next move?
Multiply.
Multiply. I agree, multiply. That is it. Multiplication.
Multiply.
Yeah. Guys, somebody said divide. Dropping on me, somebody said divide. Me and say, what? No, man, we don't mute the mic. We unmute them. Guys, you know why I mute the mics? Because you see, if me unmute it, you're going to hear parents in the background, you're going to hear bike, you're going to hear music. Class can hardly go on. That's why I start mute it. All right. So as they said, multiplication, because it's on the left first. All right. So 27 multiplied by 3 would give us 81. Put back the divide by 9 and put back the 8 plus. We're going to ask again, you know, guys. I want to make sure I say everybody I get the thing. Kaylee. Oh, me, I said she couldn't answer because something wrong with her mic. But I was clicking on it, you know. That means when I click on it, you can unmute it. All right, let me see if I can find you again and see if I hear the voice. Go again now. Go ahead. You have to unmute yourself and then you go ahead. What's the next move?
answer would have we would have divide next.
Yeah, very good. All right.
We would
So you-
have divide next.
Yeah, man, I heard. Thank you so much. So we divide 81 by 9. All right. So you see, guys, that's how we get the 17, and then we add last. So, good job. I feel comfortable that we can try one. Prove me right, guys. Prove me right. I think you will get it. The other class did well on it as well, so I think you guys will do well. What you guys think? Yeah, man, I think so. All right, make a note of it, guys, and then in 2 minutes time or so.
So since 3 times 18 is in bracket, you would do that first, which 3 times 18 is 54. And then
Wait.
I would do
Wait. Oh,
6.
yeah. So it's a 54 first. Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's 3 times 18. And I would do 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. Then I took 216 from 54, gave me 162.
So 54 from this, you get 162.
Yes. And then I added 83 to 262 and got 245.
All right. Let me see if who for an up. Delano, do you agree with this answer?
Unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, last time you said no. Me hearing you
No.
moving.
No, you work it out different, but you still get the same answer.
Yeah, I know, man. By right, she should have done this first, you know. That's what I was listening for Delano to say. Well, I do the power part first according to the rule. But I guess he just give it, yeah, 245. And another thing, you should have added from left to right. Not all the time it work, you know. We're supposed to do it from left to right. Because sometimes you subtract first and you end up get a different answer, an incorrect answer. But it works out this time. So it's 245. So when you did, you should have did this part
I
first.
started at the bracket.
You start at the bracket too. You're supposed to start at the exponent. All right, sometimes it don't matter, you know, but sometimes it will show off the answer, guys. So do the right thing, all right? Do the exponent first, and then because in some cases it actually affect the answer, all right? But it works out to 245. That would have been the correct answer. Here should have added this and get 299, and then subtract 54. So this line, as I said, sometimes it will come back. It depends. But this will give you about the 245 just the same. Someone actually did the correct thing, but they wrote this 254. Be careful, you see that? The numbers. 245 is different from 254, so be very careful, all right? Ensure that when you're writing it, it's in the correct order. So that's why that person got thrown off. But it was good. But this was the least good one out of all of them, guys. Not everyone got this the first try like the others. Alright, let us do another do. Make a note of it first, and then we can. Alright, go ahead.
first thing that you can do is find the multiple of the 7. And then you're going to work out the bracket. The multiple would be 49. And the bracket would be bracket 9. And you're going to multiply the 49 by the 9, which will give you 441. Then you're going to add the 138 plus the 441, which is going to give you with the answer 579.
579, so 975. Do the class agree? All right, thanks so much and welcome to the class, by the way. Welcome. You will learn a lot in this class, trust me. I agree as well that it's 579. All right, good job. So it's basically adding up all the numbers and divide it by the total number of numbers. Let us see a cricketer score these scores. First match in score 8. Oh, I'll go on this one. Second match, 32. Next match, 50. Next match, 37. Next match, 93. Let us find the average of all of these scores. So the first thing you want to do, you want to add all the numbers. So 8 plus 32 plus 50 plus 37 plus 93. Total that for me, guys, and tell me how much I get. So we can see if everybody I get the same thing. So 8 plus 32 plus 40 plus 50, 90 plus 37 plus 93. Okay. All right. I'm going to open the mic and somebody tell me how much they got for the total. Just a call a random person. Let's see if you guys can add fast. Deandra, what you got for the total? Did you add it?
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
220.
220. I'm calling somebody. Not that I don't trust you, Deandra, but I'm just call on somebody. Senior, what you got for the total?
I got 260.
260. All right. Me have to go call somebody else now. Because one got what? 220, one got 260. So we need a tiebreaker. Let's see if Jake one finish.
220.
220. You change amount? All right. All right.
220.
All right. So 220 it is. Let me just check it. So 8 plus this, that's 40. 40 plus that, 90. And this, yeah, 220. All right. So we get the total, 220. This is what we call the aggregate score or the total score. But remember what the rule says. You add it up and then divide by the total number of numbers. So how many numbers did we add in the first place? So this is how I want my students to do it. I want you to count them literally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because we got 5, we're going to divide by 5. And I want you guys to divide that. And I will just call on somebody random and you just tell me if you finish. Pum, 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 pum. Pum, 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 pum. I'm just call on someone and tell me how much you get when you divide 220 by 5. Adrianique, you finish it? Or no? Not getting Adrianique at all. What about?
Sir,
Oh, you didn't. You finish it? What you got?
I got
Still a work it out,
44.
man. You still a work it out. From here, you say, I
I got
got
44.
44. All right, because actually, did you get the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Philip said
I
that. All
got the
right.
same as 44.
44. All right. Thanks. All right. That means the mean is equal to 44. Let's show the working. So how we get the 44? So we're doing long division. So 5 into 220. All right. 5 into 2, we can't. 5 into 22, 5 4 is 20. So yeah, the part the right and the 4 right. 4, 5, 20. Subtract. That leave 2. Oh, yeah. So you carry down the 0. Yeah, man. And then 5 into 20. Exactly 4 times 1, 5, 4, 20. Very good. You guys are so awesome. Good job. All right. So therefore, the mean would have been 44. If it was a case where we added 10 numbers, what number would we divide by? I'm just going to click on somebody to answer that. If we had added 10 numbers, if it was 10 numbers, what would you divide by? Let me see if I can get somebody we never get yet. Ariana Beckford, I don't think I heard your voice from there. Ariana, suppose it was 10 numbers we added. What number you think we would divide by?
Sir, we would divide by 10.
10, all right. Mia, what number you think we divide by if we added 8 numbers?
We would divide by 8.
All right, very good. So we don't need to go any further. So what we're gonna do, guys, make a note of it. You know, sir, don't give one example. I don't believe in it. So I'm gonna do another example, and then you guys will try one. All right. Next week now, we shell down the place. Cause we're gonna look on the mean, we're gonna look on the median, we're gonna look on the mode, and we're gonna look on the range. All right. We're lock and we can talk about it. All right, so football scored the following goals each season. 13, guys. 9 and 5. Can't be a Messi. All right. What is the footballer's average or mean goals per season? Now, in order to find the player average number of goals, we need to add up all the goals he scored per season, right? So the first season, 13. I guess him just get by and feel hot, right? Score a bag of goal. Then he gone down to 9. Then he gone down to 5. Oh Lord. Have to be Christy still. All right. So what do we divide by? I'm gonna ask the question because I need to know that my students getting it. Samsung, the person with the Samsung. Why you know John with your name? Go ahead, Samsung. I don't know if you know it's you. What number would you divide by to get the mean? After we get the aggregate score, we add up everything. What number would you divide by to get the mean or average? You see the person, because we don't know the name. I'm put on, come on. Since as a Christopher, what number would you divide by? Eh? 3. 3? Why 3? Why not by 6?
Because there are 3 numbers.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. I hope you convert to a Messi fan, you know. All right. So, guys, that is correct, right? So, we add up the 13, the 9, and the 5, and then divide it by 3. So, 13 plus 9, that's 22, plus 5, that's 27, right? And then we divide by 3. Remember, it's dividing, you know. If you have 27 things and you put them in groups of 3, how many will be in each group? 9. So, guys, only 9 goals per season. Can be a Messi. Somebody's at 12.5. So 3 nines are 27. Somebody's at 12. Let me check that. Can't be 12, man. 13 and 9. 13 and 9 are 22. 22 plus 5, 27. Yeah, man, it's 9. Yeah, try push up the goal. Christy can't score more than All right. Okay. You missed that. All right. So you guys use a different number by mistake. 9. Yeah, actually, good job. All right. So guys, make a note of it. We're gonna have 10 minutes in which to complete one on our own. All right. And you know, Mr. Bennett like when you guys work. So guys, please take it down fast, and then we can go ahead and do one for ourselves. Today was an awesome class. We have a couple new persons. I thought you guys did well as well, especially after the first explanation. So congrats, and looking forward to having more great classes with you guys. All right, guys. Whichever we get for the mean, that's gonna play in cash pot. This one that we're gonna do, whatever we get for the answer, this is what's gonna play in cash pot. Cash pot play what time? 7 o'clock? We have time. So let me try to type it down here so the faster persons who write can go and work. I could use a basketball, too much cricket. And LeBron listen guys. Before him head start peel out. Oh my god. No, they call it playoff. They don't call it season. You know, so when time they're playing against each other, they call it the playoff. So the first match, him score 15, not bad. 16, not bad. 10, what? Joke thing. And then Michael Jordan number. Alright, no problem actually. As soon look at Alright, so do this one. A basketball player score the following points in a playoff series. Alright. 15, 16, 10, 23. What is the player average score in the playoff? So work out that for me, guys. I'm gonna clear the board. I'm just gonna respond to you directly, so you guys can go ahead and answer. And then we'll do the workout up here. So I'm gonna clear off this and do the workout. We have 9 minutes for the entire class to complete that. I believe in you guys. I believe you guys will complete it correctly in that time frame. Let's go. Remember, we're doing the average or the mean. Show how you get the answer, guys, all right? All right, Nejon, that are playing a cash pot. All right, Xavier. Xavier, you send it clean. Man, hard time to look funny. All right, so 2 person got it so far, and it's just 1 minute gone. So we have 7 minutes to complete it. Let's go. All right, Dejani. Now, going good so far. Good job. Well done, Ibar. Now you set the bar, I know. No low bar around here. Good job, Jaquan. That's the Jaquan without the Y. Yeah, the Jaquan there. Good job, Deandra. So what Tori J did? Yes, Tori J, good job. Long division style. Afraid to know, afraid to know. Nah lie. Good job, Adrianique. So far, so good, guys. Still have 6 minutes. Good job, Philip. That would be correct as well. Yeah, this person is correct. The 486. I'm not getting your name it here. When class finish, me save it. Kahin, you not finish, man. Walk on, Kahin. I have to send me another pic. You not finish. One to the last step. Correct, symphonic. Very neatly done as well. Good job, Nathan. I want you a little bit offish though. First, you have to go check it back. Alright. So the winning streak kind of cut little. Alright, back to winning ways. This one is correct. Yeah, build it again, you know. Yeah, build it again. Good job, Bianca Bird. I may call out your last name. Correct, Bianca. Well done, Akilio. Somebody want to sleep now again. Hold on. That's a Amia. Tisha, good job. Yeah, call me in the class. Hello? Hey, what's up? This one is correct. Yeah, 7 o'clock we finish. This one correct as well. Oh, Tatiana, Tatiana. All right. Give me about a few minutes. We are close off shortly. All right. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead. Why you don't join with your name? You join with Samsung. Why you join with that? Go ahead, though. Go ahead. Go ahead, man. Oh, I can mute up himself. I think some persons didn't check how many numbers. The last part. Yeah, actually, good job. We still have 3 minutes now, guys. Send them in, man. Those who don't finish it on time, still send me, alright? I will look at it when class finish. Good job, Malik. Sorry, kick me off, but I am on again. Alright. Happy you're back. Correct, come on. Come on, it's a ball. Come on. Correct, come on. I see a few persons have problem with the long division. I'm so sorry those persons never come to my school. Alright, guys, we have 1 minute remaining. We're gonna just pick on someone to walk us through it. Who will it be? Bianca, you are the one. Mrs. Smiley put on smile emoji. Bianca, ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Thank you. You can take us on. Go ahead.
So first, you're going to add 15 times 16 plus
Time?
16, sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, I said plus. Plus
Mm-hmm.
16, which is going to give you 31. And then you're going to add 31, and then you're going to add 31 plus 10, which is going to give you 41. And you're going to add 41 plus 23, which is going to give you 64. 64. And then when you're doing average, you're supposed to count how many numbers are there. And if you count 16, 15, 10, and 23, you have 4 numbers there. So you're going to divide 64, you're going to divide 64 by 4, which is going to give you 16. So the average is going to be 16.
Alright. You don't want to walk us through the long division? We never miss an opportunity to do long division, right? You want to walk us through this part? It's just 7 o'clock. She mute back herself already. Alright, who want to do the long division? Kahin, you haven't spoken all day. Go ahead, Kahin. You want to walk us through this part, Kahin?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No?
Sir, I
Shame.
didn't do that, sir.
Okay. Alright. Journey. The second. I don't know why the second for. Go ahead, Journey. Alright, make sure you then. Can nobody now respond? Tori J.
Sir.
Okay, go ahead, Journey. Go ahead. Sure, 7 o'clock. I don't want to keep nobody too longer than 7, guys. I'm tell you the truth. Everybody deserve them rest. Go ahead. Alright, I'm ready it. So 4 into 6, 1 times 4 ones 4. So we subtract, that's 2. Carry down the 4, that's 24. And then of course 4 in 24, 6 times 4 6s 24. So our
24.
answer, yeah. So, yeah, thank you so much. All right, so let me just unmute to everybody. What happened? The class you're kind of stuck, you know? Because the person signed up for the morning and switch to this, so the morning have a lot of space. All right, guys, so take care. Today was awesome, though. I must add that, especially the first probably 5 questions. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Bye. See you guys
Sir.
tomorrow.
Bye,
Awesome
Adios.
job. Welcome to the
Bye,
new
sir.
people. Big up, big up.
Adios.
Take
Bye,
care,
sir.
Megan.
sir.
Take care, Althea.
Bye, sir.
Take care, Jamar. Take
Bye,
care, Kianoy. Take
sir.
care, Carl. Take care, Deandra, bro. Take care, Ariana, big
Bye,
girl.
sir.
Take care, Mia. Take
Nice
care,
knowing
Morgan.
you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Kianoy. Take care. Good job.
Bye.
Bye, Ashley. Bye, Casey Allen. Bye, Ibar. You're welcome, Ibar. You set the bar, I am, man. Big up yourself. Your name alone speak volume, you know? Ibar. All right, so guys, I will post this video. So those who want to go back over, you will be able to. I don't think I posted today's class on as well. I need to post both of them on grade 3 one as well. All right, so take care, guys. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Take care, Casey Allen. All right. You guys are awesome. Don't forget that.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Ariana. Take care. See you tomorrow, all right?
Yes, sir. Bye.
Yeah, all right. Class was good. So we are close off September 2025.